Let's now look at the importance of website in the digital age. I would suggest that in this digital age, having a website is crucial for any business or organization that wants to succeed. It is the face of the company on the internet and probably the first point of contact for professional potential consumers and clients. A website can build credibility, and website is the first gateway for online presence. It is like an online brochure that provides information about a business. Customers can come to the website, easily access information about products and services, operating hours, contact information, and most importantly, what are the product or service details that the customer is getting. It makes it easier for potential customers to learn about a company and decide whether or not to do business with it. Furthermore, having a website also builds credibility. Today in this digital age, people often turn to the internet to research a company before making a purchase or engaging with a business. A well-designed, simple, professional website can help build trust with potential customers and show that the company is legitimate and credible. A website also provides a strong platform for the company to establish an online presence. By optimizing a website for, say, search engines, company can get its visibility higher on the internet and thus reach a wider audience. It leads to more incoming relevant traffic and thus more business. Finally, a website allows a company to connect with consumers that was not earlier available before the advent of internet. Earlier, customers would reach out to the company only on phone or something, and it was largely one-way communication. Website is very interactive, right? And that works. A website can provide the customers a personalized experience through features like online chat, email, testimonials, video testimonials, and all of that. Finally, all this results into stronger relationships with customers and increased customer loyalty. To conclude, a website is an essential tool for any business or organization in the digital age. It provides information, it builds credibility, it establishes a strong online presence, and allows companies to connect with consumers that was not possible before the advent of internet. By investing in a professional website, companies can reap the benefits of a strong online presence and succeed in the digital age. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.